ganda niyan.
Aclair 2. Branded by Aclair. Oh my gosh. Size nito ay, tinatago ko to, correct. Size ay small, but can fit up to medium. Kahit large pwede. Ang ganda.
Parang
grabe.
yung suot mo lang din yung ano, yung ganda niya.
Very social. Very social mga sis ha. Branded by Aclair yan. Okay, from 8,500. Ibibigay ko na lang to ng 7,800. 7,800. Code up.
Andyan, di mo lang flineflex.
Next, ladies, branded by Forever New. Forever New, size is medium. Forever New, ladies, size is medium ha. Medium, medium, medium. Okay? For only 2,900 na lang. 2,900. Code ako dito ng gold. Ayan siya. Forever New to. Na ang ganda sa baba. Ayan. Na medium. And then, pasmak yung likod. Sis Julie Alamo. Ang ganda nito.
Still gold to sis Maika Mika.
Naunahan.
Nakadami na yun.
Ano yan?
Makikita nung siksikig ka.
Oh, ang gabing brown. Okay, for this one, ladies, free lang to ha. Free. Branded by Moschino, pero hindi ako sure kung authentic. Kodak na lang ako dito ng mine. Free black, size ay small. Still, ano yun?
Still gold daw.
Ay. Yes, Sis Eileen, visible ka po. Nakuha na ko, or Sis G. Barcel, nandito pa. Ito, i-flex ko. Okay, co-ords, ladies, ito yung pants. And then, pa-tube yung top.
Mine free block to sis Fungus Among Us.
Wala pa siyang namamain, be.
Meron na kagabi.
Wait, totoo ba?
Oo nga.
Ah, okay. Okay, next item, ladies. For this one, co-ords, I have XS, small, medium, large, and XL. 3,250 na lang. Code is co-ords.
Bago din to.
Code is
Plastic
co-ords.
pa yung
Ayan
zipper.
siya. And then, yan ang likod, ladies. Ha, yan ang likod. May pa-open back siya. I have XS, small, medium, large, and XL po. Okay?